Hey guys, it's Jessica at Seeds and Sanity. I am over here in another project area of my yard. This is my side yard, and we used to grow a few things over here, just some herbs and stuff, and I do have a big pineapple plant over here that I have some questions about. So planning to clear this area out and put a big raised bed right down the middle of it later this year for fall or winter planting. But my first questions are about that plant and what I can do with some of the things it has going on. So let me flip the camera around and see if maybe you guys can offer me some knowledge. Hey fellow gardeners, I have a question for you. My pineapple plant. This is its first pineapple, and I'm curious when it is ripe to pick. When should I cut this guy off? Also, my other question, it has all of these little pineapple pup plants. There's some up there. Where's the other one? There's a big one down here. What do I do with those? How do I take those off and turn them into more pineapple plants? I've got probably 5, 6 or so of those, and I would love to continue to grow more pineapples. So if you could offer me a little advice, I really would appreciate it. This one we kind of had just stuck in the ground here. I'm going to back up so you can see, but this is kind of an old gardening area on the side of our house and where I've been hiding all the lumber from building my chicken coop. So I'm going to be cleaning this area up. I do plan to put a large raised bed in here right down the middle because this side gets the water shearing off of the roof of the house. And this side right up against the fence doesn't get a ton of sun, but the strip right down the middle is perfect. So I'm going to put a big bed there for fall planting. But in the meantime, what do I do with those things coming off the side of my plant? How do I remove them? How do I plant them? And is my pineapple ready to be harvested or not? How will I know? Thank you guys so much for your advice. As always, I appreciate it. Thanks for helping to make me a better gardener and teaching me all these wonderful things. Take care, guys. Hope you're having a good weekend, and thanks for your comments.